Hello friends, today going to share recipe that's bara curry. Before only I told how to prepare bara with masoor dal. So today I'm going to prepare the gravy only or curry only. So with that masoor dal bara, how can you prepare bara curry? Okay, it's in Bengali style. So you can try this recipe, very simple recipe and very few ingredients you need for this. So just I'm telling one by one. You need bara. I told before how to prepare bara. So this bara you have to keep you have to prepare like that way only. Next you need some potato cubes. Okay, it should be fried. And then you need chopped tomatoes, and then you need some chili and onion seeds, and you need make spices like jeera powder. I have used it here only jeera powder, red chili powder, turmeric powder, and very little garam masala. These are only ingredients you need for this bara curry. So let's start the recipe. First what you have to do, first you have to fry the potatoes. Okay, let's fry potatoes first. And of course I will use here mustard oil. So on gas, we have to on the gas. Now add mustard oil here. First you need to fry potato cubes. Baras are already fried. So how much oil you need? Just only have to add that much oil only. Let it heat first. Pure vegetarian dish it is. You can take this one with rice, with with chapati, with roti, as per your choice. Now add potato cubes. Add little salt also. Add turmeric powder, very little. And mix it properly. You have to fry, and sometimes you have to cover also until it's not getting soft. Yes, it is done now. Remove from oil. Now you have to make the curry. To prepare curry you need chili and onion seeds. Add this. Once it starts to flutter, you have to add chopped tomatoes. Add little salt also. Now add masala paste. Mix it well. Unless oil comes out, you have to cook the spices. Once oil come out, then we can now add water. warm water you have to add here. Now you have to add potatoes, then bara, fried bara. Mix it well. Now add warm water. I am adding 1 cup of water because I need not that much curry only. And it will soak water also, because you just do a measurement how much water you need. And you can do one more thing also, if you are taking it after long time. So if you are keeping like this with water only, so bara will soak all the water, so you won't get that much gravy or curry. So avoid this thing, you can do one thing, you can keep the bara separately once it is done, and the curry you can separate, you can keep it separately. So whenever you will serve, you just serve it from both of the things, okay, together, to avoid this means absorbing curry by bara. Now add little salt also over here. Let it cook in simmer for few minutes. Now you can see it started to boil. So it's done actually. You should not boil so much, okay? So only for few minutes, 2-3 minutes you have to boil like this way in simmer flame, okay, not in high flame also. So it is done now, you can serve it now. So here is the recipe of bara curry in Bengali style. You can try this recipe. This is pure vegetarian recipe, okay, no ginger, no garlic, no onion itself in this. So you can try, you can take this with your rice, as I said, with chapati, with roti. It will very nice dish for those things, okay. So try this recipe and let me know how it is. And if you have any questions, you can ask me also. Till then, take care, bye.